Hey! I am very glad that you are watching this video. Like it right away, because today I will show you a free working cheat for Rainbow Six Siege. All we need is to download the archive from the link in the description. The password is 2023 and then unzip the folder to the desktop or wherever you want. Last, you need to run the exe file and then the game. Ready! Now you have a free, cool cheat for Rainbow Six Siege. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like. I will make more content like this. Bye bye!